Hey everybody, welcome to Vlogmas. I am very excited to be making this video today. I have been looking forward to this for a long time. I am calling today day 0 of Vlogmas, so it is just because I wanted to give you something to watch on the 1st of December, but my plan is that I'm going to be making videos each day and putting out the videos the following morning, so you wouldn't have had a video until the 2nd of December. It is still the end of November, so that's why I'm technically calling it day 0 as opposed to day 1, because we're not yet in December. Just a little bit of a background, anyone who's not familiar with Vlogmas, it is an idea of doing a daily video blog, so a daily vlog, which is much more of like a day in the life. So rather than my usual content where I'm going to be talking about sewing that I'm doing or specific projects and things like that, it's more just to give you an idea of what my life is like, little snippets and a bit of a view into how I can ease my crafting into my life as well. I have so much planned this month, so from the 1st of December up until the 25th of December, Christmas, I will be putting out a video every day. There will be little bits of my life, of London, life in London, a whole lot of crafting, quite a lot of little days out, and tons of Christmas related activity. So today I thought it would be really fun to do a bit of filming, partly to give you something for the 1st of December, but also because I'm doing some Christmas activities. I'm going around to see a friend of mine, Annette, and we are going to be going to a Danish Christmas bazaar. It's like a little indoor Christmas market this afternoon, or it's really the evening. So up until then, we thought it would be fun to get together and do a little bit of Christmassy baking and crafting and just hang out, and you're going to come along with me. I hope you enjoy. And we are off. So we're going to be getting on the tube. We have to take a couple of different tube trains and a national rail train because my friend lives on the other side of London and just over the river. It's not like it's super far away, but that's just the way with London. Nothing's ever really super straightforward. You usually have to do some kind of little convoluted route. There is also a tube strike today, which, hooray, definitely puts a bit of a spanner in the works. It shouldn't really affect my journey because they're all alternative options, but it's probably going to be slightly longer than it would have been otherwise, but I'm going to get there. We're going to have a good day. I don't really mind. We've made it to the other side. Went through Baker Street Station, Waterloo Station, 2 stations with some pretty fabulous songs. Maybe not to my liking, but 2 famous songs about them anyway. So we're just walking along now, nearly at Annette's house. To a cafe near here that does a really cute thing for the holidays. They did it for Halloween and they're doing it again for Christmas, where they put like markers and things in the windows so that the kids can draw on the windows and decorate. Does that sound like an accurate description?
It is exactly how it is, and it's amazing. It's so fun.
So we're gonna check it out and show you. we are heading out now to really the main reason that I came to see Annette today. Do you want to tell everyone where we're going?
We are going to the Danish Christmas Bazaar, which has just got loads of Danish food and Danish Christmas decorations, and I'm very excited, and I'm glad Teresa gets as excited as me.
I love it. And if you haven't worked it out, Annette is from Denmark, which is why she has a Danish accent, and she's taking me to the Danish market, or the Danish, Christmas market. But it should be a lot of fun, and I hope you guys like seeing what we get up to. So we've got our Danish hot dogs, which are apparently
So good.
essential. It's not that different from a Chicago dog, actually, Chicago people. It's a hot dog it's got fresh onion, dried onions, pickles, I think mayo, lettuce.
Mustard, it's not mayo, it's remoulade.
What is this? It's what?
Remoulade.
Tell me what that
Which
is.
is like delicious. It's like a pickled thing it's just delicious.
Maybe it's a bit like relish.
Maybe.
I'm very curious and I'm looking forward to it. So this American gives a Danish hot dog a big thumbs up. That was so delicious. The closest I've gotten to an American hot dog whilst I've been in London. So what have we got here now?
We have æbleskiver, which is delicious, like everything. And then mulled wine with raisins in it, which I'm just going crazy on right now.
What do you call it though?
We call it gløgg.
Gløgg.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah. This should, yeah.
Yeah. So æbleskiver, I'm sure I'm not saying it quite right.
Yeah, close.
It's
Yeah.
really delicious. These taste to me kind of like, I don't know, pancakes or waffles, but they're round.
Yeah, and
They're quite squishy. There's almost, I think there's a little cardamom flavor in there, funnily enough.
there is.
And you dip it in some jam and some powdered sugar, and they are a Danish Christmas treat. And Annette usually treats me to some of these each Christmas, so I'm excited to have them. So we had a great time.
Yes, we did. I agree. Totally agree.
I feel super Christmassy now, so it is officially Christmas. I need to get my house all ready for Christmas, which I'll be doing at the beginning of December, but at least I've now been properly, sort of, I don't know what to say.
Christmasified.
I've been Christmasified. The spirit of Christmas is upon me. I'll see you guys tomorrow.